Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and the importance of improving your gut microbiome. You may have heard the phrase gut microbiome before, but what exactly does it mean, and why is it crucial for our overall well-being? Let's explore these questions together. The gut microbiome refers to the complex community of microorganisms in our digestive tract. These microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, play a vital role in various bodily functions, such as digestion, immune system regulation, and mood regulation. Our gut is often called our second brain because it significantly impacts our overall health. One key aspect of gut health is the diversity of gut bacteria in our microbiome. Research has shown that a diverse range of gut bacteria is associated with better overall health and well-being. A healthy balance of different bacteria in our gut can help improve digestion, boost our immune system, and even support mental health. The connection between gut bacteria diversity and well-being is truly remarkable. Studies have shown that imbalances in the gut microbiome, known as dysbiosis, can lead to a wide range of health issues, including digestive disorders, autoimmune diseases, and even mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. By improving the diversity of our gut bacteria, we can reduce the risk of these health problems and enhance our overall quality of life. So why does gut health matter in the grand scheme of things? Well, the impact of gut health extends far beyond just digestion. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved energy levels, better skin health, enhanced cognitive function, and even weight management. By prioritizing our gut health, we can positively influence various aspects of our lives and promote long-term wellness. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into practical tips for optimizing your gut health and enhancing your overall well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Steps to improve gut microbiome, enhance gut bacteria. Diversity. To optimize your gut health and promote a diverse gut microbiome, you can take several actionable steps to support your overall well-being. Let's explore 3 practical tips that can help enhance the diversity of your gut bacteria and improve your gut microbiome. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the importance of a diverse gut microbiome for overall health. A diverse range of gut bacteria is associated with better digestion, more robust immune function, and improved mental well-being. Promoting diversity in your gut microbiome can support various aspects of your health and reduce the risk of developing chronic health conditions. One critical step to enhancing gut bacteria diversity is to consume prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Foods such as garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and whole grains are excellent sources of prebiotics and can help nourish the good bacteria in your gut. By incorporating these foods into your diet regularly, you can support the growth of beneficial bacteria and improve the overall balance of your gut microbiome. Another important tip for promoting a healthy gut microbiome is to avoid unnecessary antibiotics whenever possible. While antibiotics are essential for treating bacterial infections, overuse of these medications can disrupt the delicate balance of bacteria in your gut. If you must take antibiotics, follow your healthcare provider's instructions carefully and consider taking probiotics to help replenish beneficial bacteria in your gut. Lastly, lifestyle changes supporting a healthy gut microbiome can significantly impact your overall well-being. Regular exercise, managing stress levels, staying hydrated, and getting adequate sleep are all factors that can positively influence the diversity of your gut bacteria. By prioritizing these lifestyle habits, you can create an environment in your gut conducive to the growth of beneficial bacteria and support optimal gut health. By following these 3 steps and making conscious choices to enhance your gut microbiome, you can take proactive steps toward improving your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on optimizing your gut health and promoting a diverse gut microbiome. The best and worst fermented foods for your gut health. Fermented foods have gained popularity for their potential benefits in promoting gut health by introducing beneficial bacteria into the digestive system. Let's delve into the top fermented foods that can benefit your gut health and those that may adversely affect your microbiome. Kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables like cabbage and radishes, is a powerhouse of probiotics that can support a healthy gut microbiome. The fermentation process enhances the bioavailability of nutrients and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Kefir, a fermented dairy product, is another excellent source of probiotics that can help improve digestion and boost immune function. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is rich in probiotics and fiber, making it an excellent choice for gut health. While fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut offer numerous benefits for gut health, it's essential to be mindful of certain fermented foods that may have adverse effects. Some commercially available fermented foods, such as certain yogurts and kombucha, can be high in added sugars or artificial ingredients. Consuming these types of fermented foods in excess may contribute to imbalances in the gut microbiome and potentially lead to adverse health outcomes. It's essential to read labels carefully and opt for fermented foods with minimal added sugars and natural ingredients. To optimize your gut health, it's recommended to incorporate a variety of fermented foods into your diet. By diversifying your intake of fermented foods, you can introduce a wide range of beneficial bacteria into your gut and support a more balanced microbiome. Experiment with fermented foods like miso, tempeh, pickles, and yogurt to reap the full benefits for your gut health. Incorporating a mix of the best fermented foods for gut health, while being mindful of potential drawbacks, can help you cultivate a thriving gut microbiome and enhance your overall well-being. Stay tuned for more tips on supporting your gut health through dietary choices and lifestyle habits. Fungi and the gut microbiome. Revolutionary medicinal breakthroughs. The relationship between fungi and the gut microbiome is a fascinating area of research that holds promise for revolutionary medicinal breakthroughs in gut health. Let's explore the role of fungi in gut health, the latest advancements in using fungi to modulate the gut microbiome, and the potential therapeutic benefits these breakthroughs may offer. Fungi, bacteria, and other microorganisms play a crucial role in the gut microbiome. While bacteria have traditionally received more attention in gut health research, fungi are increasingly recognized for their significant impact on the balance and diversity of the gut microbiome. Certain fungi, such as Saccharomyces, Cerevisiae, and Candida albicans, can influence gut health by interacting with the immune system, aiding digestion, and contributing to overall gut homeostasis. Recent scientific advancements have shed light on the potential of using fungi as therapeutic agents to modulate the gut microbiome and treat gut-related disorders. Researchers are exploring using specific fungal strains as probiotics to promote gut health and restore microbial balance in individuals with dysbiosis. Fungal-based treatments, such as fungal supplements and fermented foods rich in beneficial fungi, are being investigated for their potential to support digestive health and improve overall well-being. The future of fungal-based treatments for gut-related disorders looks promising. Current research focuses on developing innovative therapies targeting specific fungal species to address gut health issues. Fungal-based interventions have the potential to offer personalized and effective solutions for individuals struggling with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and other gut-related disorders. As scientific understanding of the role of fungi in the gut microbiome continues to evolve, we can expect to see groundbreaking advancements in the development of fungal-based treatments that harness the therapeutic potential of fungi to optimize gut health and enhance overall wellness. Stay tuned for more updates on the exciting progress in this revolutionary field of gut health research. The secret gut bacteria that can make you happier. Did you know that specific gut bacteria, often called happy gut bacteria, can significantly influence your emotional well-being and overall happiness? The concept of these happy gut bacteria sheds light on the fascinating connection between gut health and mental health. Let's explore how these gut bacteria can impact your mood and why nurturing them is essential for your emotional well-being. Research has shown that certain gut bacteria can produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, often called the happy hormone, which is crucial in regulating mood and emotions. These happy gut bacteria can influence the production of serotonin in the gut, which can then communicate with the brain through the gut-brain axis, affecting our emotional states and mental well-being. Scientific evidence has increasingly linked gut bacteria to emotional states such as happiness, anxiety, and even depression. Imbalances in the gut microbiome, characterized by a lack of diversity or an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, have been associated with mood disorders and mental health conditions. By nurturing a healthy balance of gut bacteria, particularly those that promote the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, we can support a more positive emotional state and enhance our happiness. Understanding the impact of gut health on emotional well-being is crucial for prioritizing our mental health and happiness. By supporting a diverse and healthy gut microbiome through a balanced diet, probiotics, and lifestyle habits that promote gut health, we can create an environment that fosters the growth of happy gut bacteria and supports our emotional well-being. Viewers must explore how their gut health can impact their overall happiness as we continue to uncover the intricate connection between specific gut bacteria and emotional well-being. Stay tuned for more insights on nurturing your gut microbiome and cultivating a positive relationship between your gut bacteria and emotional state. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is essential for promoting optimal digestion, immune function, and emotional well-being. We encourage you, our viewers, to take action and prioritize your gut health by implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this video. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation for a healthy body and mind. If you found this video informative and valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more gut health tips, insights, and updates. Remember to share this video with your friends and family members who may benefit from learning more about the importance of gut health. Let's journey towards better gut health and a happier, healthier life. Thank you for watching.